So this is how to fix notification problem on Amino app. So if you're having notification problem on Amino app, or this is how to turn off notification of Amino app or for Amino app. So what you have to do is to go to your phone, then what you have to do is to tap on this Amino app. Then after that, what you have to do next is to tap over here, just tap on the app info. So when you tap on the app info, what you have to do next is to wait. So after waiting, you're going to see this. So what you have to do is to tap on notifications. Then if you want to turn your Amino app notification off, then you just tap it on this like this, then you go back. But if you just want it to be on, maybe it's off and you want it to be on, you just tap on it like this and make sure all this is on: the alerts, broadcast, chat, and also others. Make sure all is turned on, and even allow notification dots. You also have to turn this on. So this is how to turn off and turn on notification. So if you're having any problem with your notification, what you have to do is to just come here, tap on notifications, then you are going to just get it fixed over here. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.